Hare Krishna. I'll be speaking about Meenaketan Ram Das. The two brothers, Nishat and Ulmukha, entered into the expansion of Nityanand as Meenaket and Ram. Gaur Ganodesh Dipika 68. Ram Das, a devotee of Nityanand. Though the Gaur Ganodesh Dipika here indicates that Meenaketan and Ramdas are two different people, it is clear from the Chaitanya Charitamrit and the Bhakti Ratnakar that Meenaketan Ramdas is one single individual. Perhaps both Nishat and Ulmukha, participants in the Baldev Leela, entered into the body of Meenaketan Ramdas during Gaur Leela. Nothing is known about the details of Meenaketan Ramdas's birthplace or his parents. From the account of Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, it would appear that his home was somewhere in the vicinity of Krishnadas's residence in Jhamatapura. He was one of the associates of Nityanand who went to Kheturi with Janva Devi. Narahari Chakravarti writes that the three worlds are purified by the sight of Vaishnavas like Meenaketan Ramdas. The great devotees all join together to go to Kheturi. Seeing them, the entire universe is sanctified. Meenaketan Ramdas, Abhiram Thakur, Murari Chaitanya, Gnanadas, Mahidhar, Shankar, Kamalakara Pipalai, Narsingha Chaitanya, Jiva and Kanai Pandit, as stated in the Bhakti Ratnakar 10.372-5. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami recounts some details about Meenaketan Ramdas in his Chaitanya Charitamrit in the course of glorifying Nityanand Prabhu. Just as Nityanand Prabhu was an Avadhut, his follower Meenaketan also behaved in the manner of an Avadhut. Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur discusses the word Avadhut in his commentary. The word Avadhut is defined by Sridhar Swami in his commentary to Sri Bhagavatam 3.1.19 by the words Ashamskrita Deha, or one who does not take care of his body. Nityanand Prabhu was an Avadhut, and his disciple was also an eternally perfect Mahabhagavata Paramahamsa, like him, beyond the Varnashram system. As a result, none of the characteristics of any of the castes or states of life were manifest in his body. He was completely absorbed in the mood of Raja and had no consideration whatsoever for any duties of the body, as stated in the Anubhashya 1.5.161. Ramdas at Jhamatapur. On one occasion, Meenaketan Ramdas was invited to attend an all-night kirtan at Krishna Kaviraj's home in Jhamatapur. The other guests were impressed by his appearance and his display of transcendental emotions, and came to pay their obeisances to his feet. In his ecstatic mood, he would sometimes hit the person prostrated before him with his flute, sometimes slap him. Occasionally, he would even climb into some other devotee's shoulders. Tears poured from his eyes like the uninterrupted flow of a river. Seeing this, other devotees also felt their eyes fill with tears. All the 8 amazing manifestations of ecstatic love appeared in this body. When he shouted the name of Nityanand in this state, all the devotees felt their hearts fill with a divine ecstasy. Gunarnava Mishra was engaged as a pujari in Krishnadasa's house. This Brahmin was a Kanishta Adhikari and had faith in the deity, but was unable to recognize the devotee and did not have much enthusiasm to pay him proper respect. Minaketan Ram Das was able to understand that this Gunarnava Mishra had no faith in Nityanand Prabhu, and that for this reason he was deliberately ignoring him, because he was Nityanand's disciple. In order to teach the world, Ramdas said, "Just look, a second Roma Harshana Sutta, who did not come forward to show respect when he saw Balaram." Chaitanya Charitamrit 1.5.170. Roma Harshana was seated on the Vyasasana and engaged in reciting the Bhagavad at the request of the assembled sages in the Naimisharanya when Baldev himself appeared there. All the other sages stood up to show Lord Balram the appropriate respect, with the exception of Roma Harshana. For this, he was punished. Someone who is proud has no authority to speak on the Bhagavad, nor, for that matter, is he authorized to worship the deity. The Bhagavad is identical to Krishna himself. However, in this case, the Pujari Gunarnava Mishra did not object to Ramadas's chastisement and simply continued in the performance of his service to the deity. At the end of the Kirtan festival, however, Minaketan Ram Das got into an argument with Krishnadas Kaviraj's brother. Krishnadas's brother had strong faith in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but lacked such faith in Nityanand Prabhu. When Ramdas discovered this, he broke his flute in anger and left the place. The result of this curse was that Krishnadas's brother was doomed to destruction. Krishnadas Kaviraj himself rebuked his brother, an act which pleased Lord Nityanand, who came to him in a dream and told him to go to live in Vrindavan. The above account reveals how dear Minaketan Ram Das was to Nityanand Prabhu. Nityanand's followers are like him. They are deliverers of the most fallen and capable of fulfilling all desires. Thank you. Hare Krishna.